All right, everybody, welcome back. We're ready for another deep dive. And today we're going to be looking at TikTok.
Oh boy, TikTok.
Yeah, so we found this video, and it's making some pretty big claims.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so like $30,000 a month
Wow.
just reposting TikToks.
Sounds a little too good to be true.
That's what I thought.
Let's see what they have to say.
Yeah, we'll see if it holds water, right?
Huh.
So the video lays out this 5-step process.
Okay.
The first step is super basic. It's just create a TikTok account. But I figure everybody listening to this deep dive probably already has that covered.
Yeah, very onto.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So step 2 is building your brand. And this is where they talk about, picking your niche, creating a logo, which you can use like Canva or something, right?
There's a free tools out there for that.
Yeah, totally. And then picking a good name for your account.
I think that niche selection is really important.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's got to be targeted, right?
Ah, okay. So it's got to be something that people are interested in.
Yeah, and then also makes it easier for you to pick videos later on.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that makes sense. So then step 3 is where it gets kind of interesting.
Okay.
This is where they tell you to basically find other video content that's already out there
Okay.
that's related to your niche and then repost it on your own account.
Interesting.
Now, isn't that copyright infringement?
Yeah, you got to be really careful with that.
Yeah.
You can't just take anybody's content.
Right. You need permission and all that stuff.
Exactly.
All right. So then step 4 is driving traffic to an affiliate link in your bio.
Okay, so that's how they're saying you're going to monetize.
Yeah, we'll get into that later.
Okay.
And then the 5th step is just consistency. They just say post every day and you're good.
So are they saying that the algorithm will help you out if you do that?
Yeah, basically like TikTok wants new content. So if you post every day, then they'll show your stuff to more people.
I mean, that's part of it, but the algorithm's always changing.
That's true.
So it's not a guarantee.
Yeah. Okay. So then I was curious, what kind of content are we even talking about here?
So they were highlighting like fitness tips, those kinds of videos, motivational clips, financial advice.
Ah, so stuff that's already popular.
Yeah, stuff that's already out there doing well.
Okay. So they're saying just find what's working and ride the wave.
Well,
Is that the secret?
I think there's a bit of a catch.
What's the catch?
I mean, if everybody's reposting the same stuff,
Yeah, that's true.
how are you going to stand out?
Right. How do you get people to actually follow you?
Exactly. You'll just be another face in the crowd.
And wouldn't it get boring just reposting other people's stuff all the time?
Yeah. Where's the fun in that?
Totally. And they talk about this being like passive income,
Oh.
but it seems like a lot of work to me.
Yeah, it's not just sitting back and watching the money roll in.
No, you got to find the right videos and post constantly.
And even then, there's no guarantee.
Right. So maybe it's not as passive as they're making it sound.
I think that's something to think about.
Yeah, definitely. So maybe we need to unpack this passive income idea a little more.
Absolutely. Let's dive into that. I think we both agree that, just reposting other people's TikToks isn't the way to go.
Yeah, that's not the secret formula.
Not the secret formula, no, but that doesn't mean that, TikTok can't be a really powerful tool
Okay.
to build an online presence.
So what are we doing wrong?
Well, I think it's just about, a different approach.
Okay.
You need to be authentic and creative.
So we need to make our own content.
Yeah, what are you good at?
I don't know. I'm pretty good at cooking.
Well, there you go.
What make cooking videos?
Yeah, people love those.
Really?
Yeah, you could do tutorials or recipe videos. Look at this, I could try that.
It doesn't have to be anything fancy.
Yeah.
Just quick and easy.
Okay, but what if I'm not like a master chef?
Well, you don't have to be a master chef.
Okay.
What else are you into?
I like working out.
Okay, well, there you go.
Fitness videos.
Yeah, you could show some workouts.
Yeah.
Or healthy snacks. Or even just motivational tips.
Right. Okay,
Oh,
so basically just find something that I'm passionate about.
Yeah, and that you can share with people.
Okay, that makes sense. But how do I stand out?
You got to tell a story.
A story.
Yeah, people love stories. You got to show your personality.
So not just show me doing a workout,
Right.
but talk about my fitness journey.
Exactly. Show people who you are.
Okay, I think I could do that.
And that will help you connect with people.
So it's not just about the information, it's about the connection.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So we talked about making our own content,
Yes.
but what about making money?
Right. We got to talk about the monetization.
Yeah. How do we get paid?
So there are a few ways to monetize on TikTok.
Okay.
You could do sponsored content.
Like work with brands?
Exactly.
Okay.
You could sell your own products or services.
Okay.
Or you could use affiliate marketing.
Oh, yeah, we talked about that before.
So that's where you promote other people's products.
Right, and you get a commission.
Exactly.
Okay, so like with my fitness videos, I could recommend a protein powder
Yeah, or like a workout app.
and then put my link in my bio.
Exactly.
And if somebody buys it, I get money.
You got it.
But didn't we say that passive income is kind of a myth?
Yeah. Got to be careful with that word.
So it's not really passive.
Well, you still have to put in the work.
Yeah.
You got to find good products to promote,
Right.
create good content,
Yeah.
and build trust with your audience.
So it's not just going to happen overnight.
No, it takes effort.
Okay, well, I'm willing to put in the effort if it means I can make money doing something I love.
There you go. That's the right attitude.
So no more shortcuts, no more copy and paste.
No.
We're going to do this the right way.
Exactly. Build a real business.
Okay, I like it. But they keep talking about this autopilot business model.
Oh, yeah.
What's that all about?
I think that's a little bit misleading.
Really?
Yeah. You can't just set it and forget it.
So there's no magic button?
No magic button.
Okay, so we got to actually do the work.
You got to show up consistently.
Right.
Engage with your audience.
Yeah.
Build relationships.
That makes sense.
Oh.
But what about the community aspect?
That's huge.
Yeah, how do we build a following?
That's a great question, and that's what we're going to talk about next.
All right, so we're talking community building now.
Yeah, this is like where the magic happens.
Okay, but how do we actually do that? How do we build a community on TikTok?
It's all about interaction.
Interaction.
Yeah, like you got to talk to people.
What, like in the comments?
Yeah, reply to comments.
Okay.
Answer questions.
Okay.
Like actually engage with people.
So it's not just posting videos and then like hoping people will find them.
No, you got to be present.
Present.
Yeah, like you're hosting a party.
Okay.
You don't just stand in the corner.
Right. You got to mingle.
Exactly.
Like make people feel welcome.
Okay, so be the life of the party.
Yes.
But on TikTok.
On TikTok, exactly.
Yeah.
All right. So we're replying to comments. We're answering questions.
Yeah, and ask questions yourself.
Oh, okay. So get people talking.
Yeah, create a conversation.
Okay. I like
And
that.
collaborations are huge.
Collaborations.
Yeah, work with other creators.
Oh, okay.
Like in your niche.
Okay.
Do videos together.
That's a good idea.
It helps you reach new people.
Ah, so it's like cross promotion.
Exactly.
Okay. And what about trends?
Trends are good.
But like, we don't want to be doing every trend that comes along, right?
Right. It's got to be authentic.
Authentic.
Yeah, like does it fit with your brand?
Okay.
Does it make sense for you?
Okay. So be selective.
Yes.
All right. So we're interacting, we're collaborating, we're being trendy, but authentic.
Yes.
That sounds like a lot,
It is.
but it's worth it, right?
It's so worth it.
Okay. Because a community, that's the goal.
Yeah, that's how you build something real.
Yeah.
Something lasting.
Okay. So not just like a flash in the pan.
No. This is about the long game.
The long game.
Yeah, you got to be patient.
Okay.
Nurture those relationships.
So it's like a garden.
It is like a garden.
You got to water it. You got to tend to it.
Exactly, and it will grow.
Okay. I love that analogy.
And remember, it's not just about the numbers.
Oh, really?
No, it's about the people.
Okay.
Like real connections.
So it's about quality over quantity.
Exactly.
Man, this has been so insightful. I feel like I have a whole new understanding of TikTok now.
Good. I'm glad.
It's not just about dancing videos and like going viral.
No, it's a real tool.
Yeah, for business, for community, for like everything.
For connection, for creativity.
Yeah, this is amazing.
So remember, ditch the shortcuts.
Right. No more copy and paste.
No, be yourself.
Be yourself.
Dare.
Share your passions.
Share your passions.
And build those relationships.
Build those relationships. All right, everybody. That's all the time we have for today, but I hope you learned something new.
Me too.
TikTok is a powerful platform,
It really is.
so use it wisely.
And have fun.
Have fun. Yeah. All right, we'll see you next time.